Hi, I'm Jamie Giwa. I'm an occupational therapist by background. I originally came to Breathe in Motion because I was having a lot of tension down my arm. I literally came in here with Molly and Taylor and I was in tears because I couldn't do my activities of daily living, taking care of my daughter, doing simple laundry, and also my lower back discomfort. So I feel like I had this fear of simple movements like getting out of bed safely. I would just have this pinching pain in my lower back as well. So again, just very tearful, hard to think about even going through my everyday. Nonetheless, how could I get back on track with working out, doing yoga, and doing those things that I love? I've done physical therapy through private practices, some insurance-based PT, and nothing that really stuck for me. When I first came, they call it calming the storm. For me, was not only calming the physical pain that I was having, but the mental fear of movement. So for me, I felt completely supported in my recovery physically and mentally. The fear of getting my heart rate up with doing cardio, and they just made me feel really comfortable and gave me that encouragement, the accountability of Molly or Taylor saying, we'll come to Orange Theory with you, or we're gonna come to one of your yoga classes with you, to just have them alongside you and building that confidence and trust in your body. When I was thinking about doing a testimonial for Breathe in Motion, it was really hard for me to even think back to when I came here April of last year, to be like, what was it that brought me here? I'm feeling so much better. Like, where was it that I really began? I had to go back and look back at my old board with my long list of things that I wanted to work on. Because right now I just feel like I'm capable, I'm strong, like I trust in my body. They've given me the tools to know that if you do have a flare up, here's some strengthening exercises that you can do to kind of get yourself fixed. So working together to build that knowledge base of the client being able to also, fix themselves and not always having to depend on coming back into PT. So again, circling back to that mental and physical fix that you're feeling, and being an occupational therapist, just knowing that they're treating you as your whole body. I loved it so much here. I talked my husband into coming, so he has also joined Breathe in Motion and had wonderful results from them. So I would just tell everybody to come here. Based off of all the PT that I've had, it's been the best experience.